So when asked to compare fractions, you focus on the numerators. We compare the numerators. But to compare the numerators, the denominators must be the same. So the first thing happen when comparing 3 over 7 versus 4 over 7, we'll focus on the numerators because the denominators are the same. 7 and 7 are the same. So we'll compare 3 and 4. 3 is less than 4. 3 is less than 4. So since 3 is less than 4, 3 over 7 is less than 4 over 7. 3 over 7 is less than 4 over 7. Now, when that's compare fractions and the denominators are not the same, we have to make them the same first. Now, in this case, we are comparing 3 over 5 versus 4 over 7. As you can see, the denominators are not the same. 5 and 7 are not the same. To make the denominators the same, we apply the concept of the LCM. Now, since 5 and 7 are odd numbers, the LCM is 5.7. So our LCM will be 35. Now we have to make these fractions to have the same denominators. How are we going to change them? Now let's say 3 over 5. 3 over 5 will be 3 over 5 times 5 goes to 35 7 times. 35 is the LCM. 5 goes to 35 7 times. So we'll multiply 3 over 5 times 7 over 7. And we'll have here 21 over 35. And then for 4 over 7, 4 over 7 will be 7 goes to 35 5 times. So we'll multiply 4 over 7 times 5 over 5. It will give us 20 over 35. So now we are going to compare 21 over 35 versus 20 over 35. And since the denominators are now the same, we are going to compare the numerators directly. Now 21 is greater than 20. So our answer will be 3 over 5 which is 21 over 35. 0 over 5 is greater than 4 over 7. 0 over 5 is greater than 4 over 7. Now, since you know how to compare fractions, you can get the smallest and the largest. With the knowledge of comparing fractions, you can now arrange fractions from either the smallest to the largest or largest to the smallest. Ascending is going up, that is smallest to largest, and descending is going down, that is largest to smallest. Now let's compare these fractions. As you can see, these fractions have different denominators. Yeah, the denominators are different. So the first thing is to find the LCM. Now, since these and these one are odd numbers, let's break this one into a composite number to find the LCM. So the LCM will be, let's find the LCM here. The LCM will be this 4. This 4 is 2 squared. 2 squared times this is 2 times this is 5 and this is 3. And now for the LCM, we will always take the largest powers. So we'll take this one. We'll take 2 squared. We'll go now 2 times 5 times 3. So this is 4 times 5 times 3. 4 times 5 is 20 times 3. So the LCM is 60. Now with the LCM, we can now make these fractions. We can now make them to have the same denominators. Now in this case, our 3 over 4 will be 3 over 4 times 4 goes to the LCM, which is 60, 15 times. So we'll multiply by 15 times 15. And that will give us 25 over 60. Over 60. And our 1 over 2 will be 1 over 2 times 2 goes to 60, 30 times. 30 over 30, which will give us 30 over 60. And then 4 over 5 will be 4 over 5. 5 goes to 60 how many times? 12 times. 24 over 10, so it's 12 over 12. That is 4 times 12 is 48. And then we have 48 over 60. Now the last one is 2 third. 2 third will be 2 third times 3 goes to 60, 20 times. That will be 20 over 20. And you'll have 2 times 20 is 40. over 60. Now we are going to compare. We are going to compare 45 over 60 and 45 over 60, 30 over 60, 48 over 60, and 40 over 60, and 40 over 60. So here, in ascending order, like going up, ascending is going up, ascending order is going up, and when descent is going down. So in ascending order, the smallest is 30 over 60. 30 over 60 is a half. After 30 over 60, the smallest is 40 over 60. 40 over 60 is 2 over 3. After 40 over 60, the next one is 45 over 60. 45 over 60 is 3/4. And then the last one is 48 over 60. 48 over 60 is 4 over 5. That's the ascending order. Now, in the descending order, which is going down, down, we are going to have 4 over 5, 3 over 4, 2 over 3, and 1 over 2. That is going down, which is descending, and this one was going up, which was ascending. Application of comparing and arranging fractions. Asha, Brian, and Talia entered the fruit decorating contest where the goal was to cover the greatest share of their pie with fruit toppings. Asha decorated 4 over 9 over pie with strawberries. Brian covered half of his pie with blueberries. And Talia topped 3 over 8 over pie with mango slices. Who decorated the largest portion of their pie? So we are going to compare the fractions. Let's start with the Asha. Asha was 4 over 9. You have Brian with the half. And then you have Italia with the 3 over 8. I want to find the largest fraction. So what do we do? We find the LCM. Let's find the LCM. I have 4 here. No, the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of the denominators, we have the LCM of 9, the LCM of 3 and 8. You have 2 here. You cannot divide 9. 1, that's here 4 times. You have 2 here, you cannot divide 9. But you have 2. You have 2 here, you cannot divide 9. 1. You have 3 here, you have 3 upon 1, and you have 3 upon 1. So our LCM will be 1, 2, 3, 2 cubes times 3 squared, that's 8 times 9, 72. Now let's make this fraction to be equivalent with the same base. So for Asha, I'm going to have 4 over 9 times, and 9 goes to 72 8 times. So for Asha, we're going to have 32 over 72. For Brian, I'm going to have half times 2 goes to 72, 36 times, so it will be 36 over 36. It will be 36 over 72. For Talia, I'm going to have 3 over 8 times 8 goes to 72, 9 times. So it will be 9. This will be 27 over 72. And now we're going to compare the numerators now. For Brian, we have 32. No, this is for Asha. For Asha, we have 32 over 72. For Brian, we have 36 over 72. And for Talia, we have 27 over 72. So, since they have the same denominators, the largest is 36 over 72. So the answer is Brian with 36 over 72.